to my channel, guys. My name is Ritu and my channel's name is Ritu's Rainbow World. If you're watching this face for the first time, do not forget to check out the other videos because that will give you a little glimpse of what my channel is all about. So as you all know from the description of the video is going to be about the best moisturizer for all skin type this summer. Now I think summer has already arrived and people are very feeling irritated because of the summer, and people tend to feel that I think moisturizer is something which is not for summer, but this is not the case. Every time you need to keep your skin hydrated, and for that moisturizer plays a very important role. So yeah, and before we get into the video, please consider subscribing to my channel. Follow me on Instagram and Facebook. All the handles will be in the description box. So without further ado, let's just begin the video. So just a moment. And yeah, so the sunscreen, I have already made a separate video of the best sunscreen this summer. So sunscreens are also, which is very important, and I really wanted to make a separate video of that, which I already made, and I'm really glad that I could deliver this. So yeah, today it's turn about the moisturizer. Now I have few moisturizers and few serums because there are a lot of time when I don't want to use moisturizer and I just directly move to serum, and that's it for the day. Even at the night I do the same. I do not use a moisturizer and I just use a serum and then I just go to bed. So the first moisturizer or a gel which I wanted to talk about is this Rose Hip from Good Vibes. This is a Good Vibes gel. Now I have already finished up the tub, and this is a new tub. Now the gel looks somewhere like this. This is a beautiful gel. Has a beautiful, very mild fragrance to it, and this is a Rose Hip. Now Rose Hip has a very beautiful properties of anti-aging. It will make your skin a little brighter and glower, and at the same time it will tend to brighten your skin. When I say brighten on your skin, doesn't mean that from white, if my color is white, I'll become milky white. Nothing as that sort, but it will give you a glow to your skin is what I meant. Now this is from Rose Hip, and I hope you guys already know about Rose Hip. Now this retail for 240 rupees, but in Amazon I got it for 165, which was again a great deal. Now Good Vibes is a brand which is easily available on Purple, but nowadays it is available in the Amazon as well. That's what the packaging looks like. This is from Good Vibes, and you know Good Vibes is something which is completely free from chemical, sulfate and any other stuffs. So this is something which this is my holy grail product. I cannot function without this particular moisturizer. I do consider this as moisturizer because my skin is a combination and oily. Now for the combination and oily, always go for something which is a gel consistency, to be honest. And if you are a dry skin, then go for the Nivea moisturizer, Nivea and Lakme. So I have two moisturizer. Let me take you through those moisturizer as well. So come with me, guys, because I have left the moisturizer in my closet. So I will definitely make a separate video of my entire room tour, but I wanted to let you know for the dry skin what are the moisturizers that you would probably use. The first one is this beautiful Lakme Peach moisturizer. Let me take it with me, and the Nivea one is also there because my husband's skin is a little oilish, so little dry. I'm sorry, it's pretty much dry, so he actually uses that. So for the combination and oily skin, I have already told you that this particular gel is so good, which is Good Vibes Rose Hip. This is the one which is really good, and to be honest, if it is a holy grail for me, I am sure you would love it. For the dry Sahara Desert skin type, I think this particular is very important, very convenient, because this is Lakme Peach Moisturizer Intense. It is for the dry skin, and yeah, it is for the dry skin. So the next, now this also is for 199, which is again very affordable. The next thing which I wanted to show you is Good Vibes Orange Gel. Now this is also something which is an amazing moisturizer, guys. I can't tell you how, I will take a pic of it first. I can't tell you how beautiful the moisturizer is. Having said that, it is a completely gel consistency. It is also a kind of gel, but in summer this refreshes you to another level. So this is also something for 215, but I think in Amazon you will get it for 170, because yeah, recently I also got a tub of it like last month. It costed me around 117, which was again a super affordable. Now many of you guys say that my skin is not doing well. It is completely dry in summers. In summer, if you do not use any moisturizer, if you do not hydrate your skin, your skin will not do well. To be very honest, it will not do well. There is no reason that it will do well. Let me show you the consistency of this gel, and also I will show you for the other two. Now this is what the gel is, very super light. I mean, this is for best for oily skin. Now I've taken you through all the skin types. This is for the orange one is for the oily skin, rosehip is for the combination skin, and for the Sahara Desert or the dry skin, Lakme is something the best moisturizer. Now apart from the moisturizer, I also wanted to speak about serums. Let me adjust a little bit. Today I'm filming it in a different platform actually. Yeah, so this is better. Now I'm going to talk about the serums. Now serum is something which is very important. As I mentioned, if you really don't wanted to use your moisturizer, go for serums. Now I'm just going to show you 3 serums majorly. This I've already completed. I'm just going to order. This is Swiss Beauty 24K Golden Skin Care Serum. This is good for all skin types. I have finished this product. Like, can you see I'm left with only this much? It has a beautiful gold particles. Now let me show you how beautiful the consistency is. I'm obsessed with this serum. See the gold particle. It is so light and it feels very cold, very soothing and very relaxing on the skin. Whenever I apply it at night and sleep, I feel just wow, relaxed, calm and everything. Now I will make a separate niche haul where I will be telling you from where I got all this emoji cushions. Very soon that haul will be up, so please stay tuned to my channel, subscribe to my channel, hit the bell icon so that every time I upload the video you all will be then notified about it. So I was talking about this serum. The serum costed around 230 rupees. You'll get in Amazon, but in a cheaper rate. If you really wanted to know, comment me down in the description box. I will give you the link of Antara Malik. From her I take a lot of cosmetics or a lot of skincare products at a very affordable price, because she sells the product at a real wholesale rate. That's the first serum. Next serum, I'm very sure you guys know that, Garnier Light Complete Vitamin C Serum. I've spoken in length about this serum in my channel previously also. I've already finished two bottles of it. This is my third bottle and the serum is completely milky in texture and it actually does the job. It hydrates your skin to another level, which is something I love. Now this is actually for 4.99, but in Amazon you'll get it at 324 or 40 rupees change. Please, I think this bottle will last you for 3 months and I think that price point is very good. And even for this Swiss Beauty, guys, this lasted me around 2 to 2.5 months. So price point, if that in that context, is very good. Both are glass bottles, guys. And the last serum is a vitamin C serum, because nowadays I'm using this serum very badly. So this is Cadia Beauty Vitamin C serum. Now one thing that disappointed me, because vitamin C has got a property that loses its property when it comes in contact with the light, when in the sun and anything, but this comes in a transparent bottle. I did not get the concept, to be honest, so I'm showing it last, but I'm showing this because It is so smooth to my skin and it actually supples my skin. So I will not say this to consider it as a vitamin C, but to consider it as a serum that makes your skin really supple and gives you a very good glow to your skin, to be honest. I will make a separate video of my hair spa where you will see me completely without makeup and my skin is glowing from within, and that is because of this beautiful serum. I will give you the link. I got it from Amazon and it is a kind of orangish, a slight tint of orange, but it's completely water based serum, so it will be very good for oily and a combination skin types. And the other two serums are good for all the skin type. This is the master for all skin type and this is also for all the skin type. So this is a small video of the best moisturizers you can use this summer. Along with the moisturizer, use serum because I think your skin also needs a lot of water apart from your face as well. So that's pretty much for today's video. I hope this video was a little helpful. If yes, please do not forget to hit the like button, follow me on Instagram and Facebook, and also please, if you have not subscribed, please consider subscribing to my channel. That will mean a world to me, and I will definitely see you in the next video.
Thank you so much for watching. Do take a moment to follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Do make sure that you have subscribed to my channel and also hit the like button for more such updates. And that's pretty much. I will see you very soon with yet another video.